My name is Alan Fred Jones. I'm Chair of the Environment and Sustainability Committee here at the National Assembly of Wales. And we want to hear your views on recycling. Every week, if you're like me, you look at your pile of waste and you're either putting them all in one bag, or you're dividing it up and putting it into different coloured bags. And perhaps you're wondering why you're doing so. Or indeed why the black bin bag doesn't seem to be any less than it was previously. Anyway, the Environment and Sustainability Committee is conducting an inquiry into recycling, and we'd like to hear from you, and we'd like to hear your views, and you can do so via Twitter, or you can go on our website to receive more information, or indeed you can respond by email. And we'll consider your views as part of the evidence we are gathering from local authorities and from experts in the field. It is vitally important, however, that we do hear your views and your experiences, whether you think your council has got it right or whether your council could be doing it better. What we do know is that there are very strong opinions on this issue throughout Wales. And also we know that the methods used by the local authorities vary enormously. Some are more effective than others, but what we want to hear is your views and your opinions about what works and what perhaps doesn't work as well. So we look forward to receiving your views on this important issue.